morning, grade 3. Our lesson for today is about recognizing and forming compound nouns. What is a compound noun? A compound noun is a noun that is made with two or more words. A compound noun is usually noun plus noun or adjective plus noun. There are three forms for compound nouns. One, as one word. No space or hyphen between words. Example, bedroom, grandfather, hot dog, bookmark. Number two, as separated words, space or between words. Example, ice cream, vice president, washing machine, tennis shoe. Number three, as hyphenated words with hyphen between words. Example, editor-in-chief, officer-in-charge, sergeant-at-arms, and secretary-treasurer. Compound nouns form their plural differently. Some just add s at the end. Example, airplane, airplanes, teacup, teacups. Other compound nouns form their plural by adding s to the important word. Example, sister-in-law, sisters-in-law, notary public, notaries public. Here are some examples of compound nouns. Noun plus noun equals bus stop. Is this the bus stop for number 12 bus? Firefly. In the tropics, you can see fireflies at night. Football. Shall we play football today? Adjective plus noun. Full moon. I always feel crazy at full moon. Blackboard. Clean the blackboard, please. Software. I can't install this software on my PC. Verb plus noun. Breakfast. We always eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Washing machine. Put the clothes on the red washing machine. Swimming pool. What a beautiful swimming pool. Thank you for listening, grade 3. God bless. See you again.